No, no person the record, not me. You can record if you want. Someone that is recording, it's not me. Okay,
Okay.
let's go. Let's
Please,
go. I've already.
whosoever that recorded the previous one, please kindly share.
I'll post it on you. I might post it on YouTube, but it will take time, Sean. Let's go. Okay, the guy will send it if he has. If there's anyone that recorded it. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So I've talked about the sell side. Let's use gold as the buy side. So already know how I got this sell. So okay. I'm yet to talk about this continuation that happened. So let me show you how I got if I want to get a continuation from this, but this particular trade, I got the first entry, so there is no need. For continuation is where you can add more entries if you want to scale up, if you want to push, add more, if you want to add more to your winning, it's always good. Sometimes it's good if you have a good risk management that can protect you. Yes. So look at what happened there. Let me remove this. I've already taken an entry around here. So the market gave us another entry instantly. It was not even long. It gave us another entry. Look at first entry was around there, around this particular candle. If it closes, it means around there. We enter there. The market started moving down. Then all I told you guys, we need to see a down push and a high, which is something like this, a high, then a low. You get that low will be broken with a momentum. Can you see the kind of candle that broke this low? A momentum, a strong candle closure, a strong candle that has full body that closed. Can you see? So we got a retest, first retest. We got another retest, which shows that this particular place is strong. The sellers are high and it is strong. Like I always say, if you want to take any entry from this particular place, you have to make sure you put your stop loss above this place. So look at how the trade started running down, down. The same thing continues. So I'm expecting it to continue going down too. You get? So that's how I got this second entry around this particular place. It gave us an opportunity to take another entry very early. You can see that if I wanted to enter from there, look at what I will do. I will take my entry like this. This will be my entry. Then my stop loss should be above. Then my TP should be maybe 3 times. 1:3, 1:4 is okay. So this trade, we have the log that this trade is even up to 1 is. And you see, that's the second entry. If we miss that first entry, we got another entry here, which is a sweet one. Can you see? Did we make the profit or not? The market got to the profits, if you can see that. So let me remove all these things so you can see it clearly. This particular thing, let me draw it outside so it will be, you can store it in your memory. Look at what happened here. We can see what happened there. Our trend continued. We got a low, we got a high, we broke that low. The market ranged more, it ranged something like this, broke the low with a momentum candle, came back to retest. This is around 50%, then continued. This is exactly what happened here. From here, we got a low, we got a high, we got a support, a resistance. We broke that support, showing that sellers are still active. We are going down, showing that, yes, you can still take an entry. So you take this entry, put your stop loss above this high, then let it run.
Make it simple.
That's something that happened here. We got a breakout around there. You can see that. That's the continuation entry. This is for sell continuation entry. So let's go to gold so we can talk about bullish because BTC is on a bearish mode. So let's use gold as our bullish in case because some trades are going up, some are going down, which means some trades, some particular markets like gold is bullish and BTC is bearish. So we are done with this side. Let me go to XAU. There is no time. I believe you guys understand this continuation that I showed you guys. Did you understand it? Is there any question on the continuation? No
Yeah,
question.
it's very clear. It's
Yes.
very clear.
It's very clear, Abi. Okay.
Yeah.
Look at an
So,
opposite.
sir, I have one question.
Eh?
Nothing, nothing.
Okay, can you see this one now? What are we seeing? I have to even remove all these things because every week I clear everything. So let me find a way and remove all this drawing. Remove all drawing. What are we seeing here? What is gold doing?
Going
Now bullish.
Yes, it's very simple. It's bullish. Can you see that? It's very clear and clean. That's why I'm even getting back to back entries. I know most of you has been following me for months. So this
Sorry,
is
sir.
easy.
Can I ask a question?
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. When it comes to analyzing, do we have anything to do with daily time frame, or we just check our trend for at the first hour's time frame, then do whatever we want us to do there?
Okay, I want to answer that your question. Let me find the daily time frame.
I also have my own question.
Can you see this?
Yes, I can. Okay, sir.
What is happening here?
You're bullish.
That's daily time frame, almost the same with 4 hour. You get?
Yeah, I understand, sir.
Yeah, but the difference between daily and 4 hour means that one candle in daily time frame creates in a day. In 4 hour, every 4 hour, one candle creates. That's the difference. You can see, but all is still the same. That's why I said, even if you don't want to use daily for your for your trend identification, you can use 4 hours a day trader. But someone that is a swing trader that is holding trade for months, for weeks, for days, can be able to use monthly time frame or weekly time frame. So you will be able to allow himself. You know, go even stress. You go leave the trade, they go. You go no say yes, this trade is not coming back to me. That's the difference. But you now, you just need something that will give you assurance for the day or maybe 2 days. Some of my trade are 2 days, some are three. Sometimes if I see say yes, this trade is pushing up or the gap level is too high and we don't have any news coming today or tomorrow, I will leave the trade because I know that news is the only thing that can change pattern or change direction of markets. You get?
Yeah, I understand, sir.
Yeah. So the first rule is to just wait for what? The first rule is always identify the overall trend. This is then you go down to 30 minutes or 15 minutes. The same thing that happened for 30 minutes and 15 minutes, but we have much noise in smaller time frame. That's why I don't even go down to 5 minutes. But you can get entries from 5 minutes. So when you have already known where you are going to, like all this our continuation entry, etc., is always from the 15 minutes and 5 minutes. We make it more clear. You get continuation entry more clearer in 15 and 5 minutes, but 30 minutes is more stable. All the same, you get, but 30 minutes has no noise. You know what is noise? Is when the market is going up,
Yeah,
down,
I understand, sir.
yeah, confusing you. But when you are in 30 minutes and 15 minutes, you will not be more confused. It will not have big more candles. But when you are 1 minute, stop trading from 1 minute, you will make a wrong mistake. The movement self go confuse you. You no go even understand. So let's go. What happened last week on our gold is what I want to explain to you guys before this live will. Let's go. Look at what happened. So at this particular place now, like I told you guys, after the rule 2 is what? Second rule is what? The second rule is to find an opposite trend.
Opposite trend, yeah.
Yeah.
So what can we see here? This is an opposite.
Downtrend.
Yeah, a downtrend. You remember from our bigger time frame, we are seeing what?
Uptrend.
Yeah, we are seeing an uptrend. Then you can see we start seeing a downtrend here. I traded this downtrend. I will show you guys how I traded it, but most importantly, it's always good to follow just the trend. I will tell you the reason why I trade this uptrend. You get this sell. I traded this sell. You get last 2 weeks. Most of people in my VIP last 2 weeks will see that I traded it. So look at what happened there. The rule number 3 is what? A breakout with momentum.
Breakout.
So we got a breakout. You can see that. You see the breakout, we even have a jump, a market jump from here. This is our breakout. No matter how long the breakout is, you have to still wait for your retest. After that, what do we see here?
It's dead.
A clean retest he had. This retest itself came back to that starting point, which is this is a demand zone. This small candle before the big one is a demand zone. The starting point of the momentum is a demand zone because demand is always at the support level and supply is always at the high upper level. You get? Demand zone is where buyers are, supply zone is where sellers are. So simple, we got a retest. So what do we need to continue? A continuation candle, which is, can you see the candle that I created? Then you enter your trade. Then you enter your trade and continue. It's very simple as like just like that. But patience is what makes traders not to be able to wait, and patience and every other thing. But this particular thing that happened here is what's happened in that BTC. You can see it's very clear. You allowed your trade to run. You target the next high. The next high is that high that created that small trend, that minor trend. That's your target. Then now, day to day, the target will not be met. You will not meet that target that day. If you have the heart, you can wait till that target will hit, or you can be taking profits every day. You come and look for continuation entry. You come and look for continuation every day. You come out, look for continuation. You already know where the market is going. So anything that is showing you sell, any sell you see, you just wait for a confirmation to buy. That's how these people get more buy, sell, depending on the market trend. Is it clear?
That's right.
Yeah, it should be clear. So I will send you guys a link again. I don't know what the computer is warning me. They're just warning me. I'll send a new link. I believe I've already showed you guys the most important things now. So coming back now should be to show you the continuation, or maybe I think today is okay. So let's do. Is there another thing? Ask me questions before this thing off, because they are warning me. My screen is blank or something.
What's the name of this strategy?
This is a price action strategy, breakouts and retest, but we have rules. Some people trade just breakouts and retest. They do not wait for confirmations. They don't wait for all these rules to play out. That's why they fail. Like every strategy works if you can follow the rules of the strategy. That's how simple Forex is, you get. So the chart, can you see that the chart is not the problem? That everything you need is here. But for you to wait for all these things to happen, not the problem. So let's see. I want you guys now. The assignments you go and do is just to go back in time. You can go back, you see what's happened. Go and spot out this same strategy, when it happened. Show me, screenshot it and send me on Telegram or WhatsApp. Just send me on this WhatsApp. Let me see. I just want you to go and backtest, or you can backtest it and keep it to yourself, or you can show me. Then this new week now, all I want you to do is use a demo account and be practicing this same thing till you are sure, yes, it's working. Then you can start investing your money. You don't have to invest in something you don't know that works, you don't trust. You have to invest in something that works. You have seen, I've proven it to you that it works. It is showing. And this is what I'm going to still trade from tomorrow, next tomorrow. You get?
I still have one more question.
What is your question?
Come, let's go and pound the lady. Are you stupid?
Alpha, mute yourself now. Someone is asking question. Go
My
ahead.
question is, okay, imagine I use the 4 hours to identify the overall movements of the trend. Then, so the time frame I'm going to use next, is it from the hour I'm still going down to 30 minutes?
Nothing concerns you for the hour. You don't need anything hour again. The hour should be the direction. Minutes should be your entry. You only have 2 models. Overall trend model, which is overall identifying the overall trend. What else do you need? You need to come down to smaller time frame to get more confirmations. If you keep staying in hours, that means you want to stay 1 week in one trade. That's the people that stays an hour. The lower you go, the lower your different type of trading changes. We have scalpers, people that use 15 minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, all these smaller minutes. You now as a day trader, you have to hold yourself at that 15 minutes. It's very nice to be on 15 minutes. 15 minutes, 30 minutes is okay as a day trader. So at least within 3 hours, 4 hours, you're already done. You go and do another thing. You don't have to kill yourself on trading. You have to, if you win, you get your 1:4, 1:5, 1:3, depending on your account. The reason why you are chasing 1:12, 1:8 is because your account is small. When you are using $100 to look for 1:3, $30 you go make, and someone use $10,000 to make $30,000 in that same trade, you now go the day pressured. Someone use 1,000 to make, like, because of your money is making you not to appreciate your win.
Thank you,
Is there
sir.
any question? Any other question? No question. So that means you guys
Okay.
understood everything. So I'm coming back. Maybe I shall drop new link, or maybe next time in another Saturday. Because the laptop, I need to go and check what is wrong, you get? I don't know. This is a new laptop. It's just tripping.
Are we still having class tomorrow?
With everything you learned now, what else do you want to come and learn tomorrow? I'm going to come back. Let me just show the continuation of pattern that gave me more entries. I'm coming back. Let me just turn on the laptop and let me reboot.